Hey, hi YouTube. How are you? I hope you all guys are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can install MySQL on Windows. Previously, I have also created a video to install MySQL on Mac. If you are interested, you can watch it. But let's see how we can install MySQL on Windows. Let's just to go to Google and search like MySQL community downloads or 64-bit, 34-bit, whatever you want. Then you can see here MySQL installer. So let's select the latest version and your operating system might be Windows and it will be like this. So go and download this MSI installer. Just click no thanks. Just to start my download. No need to log in or sign up. No need to do anything. Okay. And I have already installed it. Not installed it. I have just downloaded previously, but I haven't installed it. Then it will ask that whether you want to allow this software to be installed or not because it's not from the App Store or the Microsoft Store. Okay, so I will click on install anyway. Then now it's all depends upon your internet speed and the machine speed. Okay, so just click yes, yes. Okay, so we are going to install MySQL and MySQL Workbench because MySQL Workbench is also needed for the GUI. Okay. So let's select this, the latest one, and take this here, then just collapse it. In application, you can find MySQL Workbench, select the latest one, take it here. And in applications only, we have to also get MySQL Cell to also take this here. And this all three softwares will be installed. Okay. So let's execute it. And now it depends upon your internet speed. So I will pause this video and meet you when this download will be completed. So the download is now completed. Just click on next and now the installation will happen and now it depends upon your machine speed. So again I will pause this video and once this whole installation process is completed I will resume it. So now after long time all the desired things has been installed. Let's click on next. uh, okay, so here let's go to next and saying that we have to select a strong password and let's go to next. And let's select a root password. Try to have at least more than 8 characters, I think. MySQL at the rate something you can add. Okay, the password is weak, but let it be. Okay, so, Windows service saying MySQL. The Windows service is already named you. What we can do? Let's suppose make it like this, and let's see. Cool. But in your case, I don't think so such thing will occur if you are installing MySQL for the first time. Okay, so yes, currently just go yes, 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 execute. Let's wait till all the boxes are ticked and then we can see what to do next. Okay, so all the files has been ticked, I guess. Now let's go to finish and let's see what to do next. I think that's it. Let's finish. And I think now the MySQL Workbench should be started automatically, I guess. This is showing the cell for MySQL. Okay, so let's see. The Workbench has been opened, and I think there will be multiple options. Edit connection, open. Let's open a connection, and here you have to enter the password that you have selected while you have created while installing MySQL. So let's see. So here you can see Workbench has been started. So just make it a bit better. So here you can see the output and here the input. So let's see describe databases. I'm just running a basic command. I guess it's databases. I think. Okay, describe databases and just run it and let's see. Okay, you have an error in SQL syntax. Okay, sorry. If I want to show the databases, okay, show databases. Sorry. So let's run it and let's see. So we can see some databases. So I think that's fine. This is how you can execute your SQL query. So that's it in this video, and this is how you can install MySQL and MySQL Workbench on Windows, because MySQL Workbench give this type of graphical user interface, and it's very easy to install. And that's it in this video. In next video, I will show you, if you don't want to install MySQL, or by any chance if you're not able to install MySQL on your system, then you can also how you can use it online, but definitely that will have some limitations. So meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.